Hello, welcome to Key Stage 2 Singing Assembly. Isn't it nice to be back in school again all together? Now obviously singing assembly is going to be a bit different for the moment. We're not all going to be able to gather together in the hall for any of our big assemblies, so we're doing it class by class, but we're still all going to be singing. Also, you'll notice that the windows are open and the doors are probably open as well. We need to keep lots of fresh air coming through to keep us all healthy. And also we're going to remind ourselves that we are facing front. We are not turning round. We are not going to be, when we're singing, sending all that breath anywhere but forwards, because that is the best and the safest way to do things for the moment, okay? Let us start with a warm-up. Let's get those voices warmed up. If you have been doing singing at home, you will be quite used to these. Let's have a go. Are you taking good big breaths? Sitting up, take a nice big breath. Ma, 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 ma. Let's try. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, we are warmed up. Why don't we start the term with a singing of the Swaffield School song, and then we are going to do I Can See Clearly Now. Are you ready? Sitting up. Facing forward, remember. Nice big breath. Smile. Smiling, remember, helps lift the soft palate inside the roof of your mouth. Everything opens up. Big space. Lovely for singing, okay? Sometimes you work, sometimes you play, and there will be times when you don't know what to say, but don't give up. You can be strong. We're here beside you and we'll sing this song because we are Swaffield School, and here at Swaffield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swaffield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together. Swaffield School forever. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but always try to be the best that you can be. When you can't choose which team you're in, it doesn't matter, don't you see? Because we are Swaffield School, and here at Swaffield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swaffield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together. Swaffield School forever. We are stronger together. Swaffield School forever. Right, if that didn't warm your voices up, I don't know what will. We are going to have a sing of I Can See Clearly Now. Hopefully you remember this. Hopefully you saw some of the YouTube videos over the holidays. But just in case, let's quickly go through it, okay? I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Notice how those notes aren't next door to each other. Rain is gone. Rain is gone. So you need to really sit up and smile, because when we're singing down, we need to support everything so that the singing keeps being wonderful. Okay? I can see. So my turn, your turn. That's how we should do this, isn't it? Of course it is. Right, here we go. My turn. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. My turn. I can see all obstacles in my way. Your turn. I can see all obstacles in my way. My turn. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. Your turn. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. Okay, my turn. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Your turn. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Now, we could sing, I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Boring. Don't want to sing like that, do we? We want to give some meaning to the words. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. When you smile, you make the sun shine. Did you know that? I'm pretty sure that's scientific truth. Surely it is. Feels like it. So, smile. All right, let's try that first verse all together. 1, 2, breathe. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Now, I wonder if you noticed there was one word that had a vowel and we sang 2 notes on it. And I didn't quite like how I sang it. I wonder how you got on. The word dark. Gone are the dark clouds. Gone are the dark clouds. I kind of sang dark. And the word isn't dark, it's just dark. So we need to really make that very chewing gummy, very legato, so that we know that we're just going to have one vowel sound. Gone are the dark, rather than dark. Can we try that? Just that line. Gone are the dark clouds that made me blind, that had me blind. Sorry, get the words right, Mrs. Grayson. Come on. Right. Gone are the dark clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. Do you know what I'm doing to try and make that really legato? As I go into the word dark, I'm giving a little bit more air. So I'm going dark. I'm kind of pushing a bit more from my tummy, letting the sound come out a bit more, so that it is gone are the dark clouds, rather than gone are the dark clouds. It's not dark, it's dark. Okay, let's try it one more time. See if you can do that little push to make that really smooth, really legato, really chewing gummy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Now verse 2, exactly the same tune. Let's have a go at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I can make it now, the pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Now, there is a line in there. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. You cannot sing that in the same way that you would sing, I think I might have cheese on toast for supper tonight. It just doesn't work. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. That's such an emotional sentence. We've got to give it some extra welly. So the first two lines, I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. It's saying, okay, I think I'm going to be okay. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. So in a sense, you're still talking about how you might have felt before when you were feeling a bit sad. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. We've really got to have a change between those two sections. So the first two lines need to be a bit more gentle. I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Then take a deep breath and go, here is the rainbow I've been praying for. Look at that big smile. It's a Mrs. Grayson smile. I can't help myself. I'm a very happy person. Okay, here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It really needs to burst out of that verse. We've had those two first quiet lines and then suddenly, wham, here is the rainbow I've been praying for. Let's try that verse. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here we go, breathe. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Now, you might have noticed that note that suddenly came into the chord. Here we go into what's called the middle eight. We've had the verses, we've had the chorus, and now there's a kind of a bridging area which goes somewhere slightly differently, especially harmonically, especially in the way those notes are built up to support the tune, okay? So here we go. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Have a go. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. And the same tune. Look straight ahead, and then it changes. There's nothing but blue skies. So it goes like this. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue skies. Gosh, that is a long note. You are going to need to breathe. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue, breathe, skies. So, look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue skies. And then you're ready to go back into the main part. Shall we try the whole thing? Here we go. 1, 2, breathe. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Good. I hope you enjoyed singing that. I certainly did. Can I just remind choir members to ask your teachers to take your name down and send it to me so that we are ready for our Thames Festival. If you've been practicing the Thames Festival songs over the summer holiday, we're getting to the point where we're going to be recording them soon. So let your teacher know, okay? Everybody else, thank you. Well done. It's so nice to be back at Swaffield. Wonderful. See you next time.